This is how we smooth it. My original plan was to go from that tree to that tree over there, but when I tried to put my tarp up, it just wasn't wide enough. This is a 10 by 10 tarp, and that tree was exactly about 10 feet apart, so I wasn't able to really crank down on these like I like to make it nice and tight. So I just switched over. This one was just a few feet longer, and it worked out great. So at this point, I'm gonna go get some birch bark. There's a bunch of birch trees about, I don't know, 75 meters that way. And then come back and I'm gonna cook up some tacos. A handful should do it. Everything out here is pretty dry. The creek's even dry, so this should work. We're going to give that a few minutes here, let it burn down to coals, and then break out all the food and start cooking. I've got some gummy eyeballs to snack on. My 3-year-old niece was at my house earlier today, and I acted like my eyeball fell out. I went, achoo! Showed it to her. She was all like, oh my God, started running. That's the uncle I am. Okay, so I got all this from Dollar Store today. Got me some stuff for tacos. Got my Pathfinder skillet here. It's still a little frozen in the middle, but it didn't take long for it to thaw out and start cooking. This is going to be way too much meat. I mean, I'm a big guy and I love to eat, but I don't know if I can eat a pound of hamburger. But by God, I'm going to try, that's for sure. Oh, well, there's a little bit that just escaped into the fire, so that'll help. Alright, I'd say we got that browned up pretty good. Okay, my improvised strainer. All right, so let me go get my water real quick. All right, it's been a while since I've made tacos personally. Normally my daughter makes those because she makes the best. Let's see. 3/4 cup of water. Alright, so we'll open that. And we'll kind of guesstimate here what's 3/4 of a cup. I'd say probably, we'll just go with that. Looks good to me. Mix all this in. Looks like there might still be some grease in there. That's all right. that over there. And now we wait. There wasn't any shredded cheese left at the dollar store. All we had was this block of cheese, so I'm going to try my best to just cut some small strips off of there. See if that'll work. We'll just kind of do like that. Why not? Say we'll do about a quarter of this. Not too worried about this going bad. Like I said, it's going to get pretty cold tonight. It's going to be around 40 degrees. So I should be able to still take this home and use it tomorrow. Let's just put this inside the bag here. Wrap that up the best we can. Okay, I'm going to say that's probably pretty good. It's still just a little bit runny, but I could deal with that. Alright, so here's what we got going on. I don't know if you can see that. Probably a little too bright. There it is. We just got some taco meat in there and just some cheese. That's how I like it. Oh. Hold on, I'm making a mess here like I always do. I didn't plan this one out too well. I hear a dog out there. I don't know if you guys can hear that or not. There's a dog barking somewhere. Man, that's good stuff. We're going for it. We're going to try to eat a bunch of it. Gonna go to bed all fat and sassy. Put some extra cheese on this one. Man, things always taste better out in the woods, don't they? Alright, that's about all I could handle. I tried. There's probably a third of a pound still in there. Jeez. Man, between gummy eyeballs and tacos, I wasn't watching my figure today, that's for sure. Alright, I'm going to finish getting my bed set up here. I keep hearing dogs off in the distance. Normally the only thing you hear from this spot is normally a really loud motorcycle, a Harley Davidson if it's coming down the road, way over there, and an airplane. There are a lot of people that hike over that way, but not this late. Alright, this combination here of this climate pad and pillow with this hammock is awesome. I tried this combination for the first time last month when I went to the Pathfinder school just to kind of be a helper. You know, we got to bring our hammocks or whatever we wanted to sleep in, and I thought it'd be cool to try this out. And I slept like a baby. You know, you don't have to buy this real expensive pad or anything, or this pillow. You could just, I think at Walmart, they got like a $10 ground pad you could put in here. And, you know, you can just grab a trash bag or a small bag and stuff it full of leaves or something if you want to save money. Alright, so it's gotten quite a bit chilly. out here since you last seen me. So I put the anorak on. I bet it's getting close to the 40s. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish setting up my tarp here, and then probably lay down, maybe read a little bit, and then go to bed. All right, so here's my setup. Got the hammock in there, and yeah, I think we're good to go. Gonna be a good night. All right, so it is time to get these boots off. It's been a good day, even though I got out here kind of late. I've really only been out here probably 3 hours or so. But it's starting to get kind of cold. My belly is full, a little too full actually. Oh. Alright guys, well, that's going to do it for me right tonight. I will see you all in the morning. I got a couple things that I want to show you, so make sure you stick around. Good morning. Well, I'm almost back to the Jeep. I got about another 100 meters to go or so. And last night I mentioned I wanted to show you guys something. The Graybeard gave me this GB2 Puko after the advanced class, but I had to make a sheath for it. So, I mean, it's not the prettiest thing in the world, but neither am I. So, as you can see, I kind of butchered the rivets there, but it's holding together pretty strong, and it's not too bad for my first try. And there's a subscriber of mine named Kerry. I won't say his last name because I don't know if he wants me to or not. But a while back he sent me this, and I'm sorry I'm just now getting to it. This little thing you clip on your pack and it holds your dip can. Now, if there's any kids out here watching, I'm not promoting this. I wish I never started. So just keep that in mind. If you think when you grow up you're gonna dip, I'm just saying I would think twice. But anyways, I'm gonna hike back to the Jeep, get home, edit this video, and I hope to see you all again real soon. Take care, guys.